Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to boost your internet speed. Before the video starts, I'm going to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button and like. Feel free to share, it really helps me out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Wi-Fi settings. Once we're in Wi-Fi settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit until we see change adapter options. You've got to open that up and you're going to choose your Wi-Fi. Some people may be on Ethernet. Doesn't matter, just choose your Wi-Fi that you're currently on and connected to. Right click, hit properties, and hit configure. This little menu is going to pop up. You're going to go to advanced, scroll down until you see speed and duplex. You're going to choose the highest value that you have. Some people may have 100% or 100 megabytes per second or 1 GB per second. You want to choose the highest value you have. You're going to hit OK, and you can close out. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to delivery options. You're going to search that up or delivery optimization, my bad. You're going to search that up. This is going to pop up. So this is going to be enabled by default. What you're going to want to do is you're going to disable this, and this should increase your speed by a lot. The last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to background apps. This helps a lot as well, and not many people know about this one. So you can disable all the apps that you don't need running in the background, and if you want, you can actually disable them all completely, which will help. But if you want to keep some things open, I wouldn't recommend it. I recently made a Patreon where viewers can contact me if they need help with certain problems, and I can make personal videos for you. If you don't want to pay for the Patreon, you can also ask me in the description or in the comment section, and I can respond to you. Thanks for watching.